Hi there, this is a review of a really cheap and pretty darn amazing Fire TV clone replacement Bluetooth and learning remote for Kodi use. So much so I think it's better than the official Amazon Alexa Voice Remote Pro, and I use it more than my main sofa button X1S remote, and I'm second guessing why I even bought the latest X2. So after you pair this remote with your Android TV box or under core like Bluetooth settings, most of the buttons just start working. The D-pad, play pause, home, seek forward back, skip ahead back, with channel up down, and even the context menu. The volume and mute buttons can be programmed via equipment control if you're using a Fire TV device, but as these are IR capable, I simply taught the functions from my AV receiver's remote. The two customizable buttons labeled 1 and 2 work the same way as the official Amazon Voice Remote Pro, that is if you're using a Fire TV device. You just press one of the buttons to bring up this menu to set. However, as I'm using this remote with Kodi for Kodi functions, I'll be using the Key Map Editor program add-on to program all the buttons I've highlighted. I believe even the 4 app buttons can be programmed, but I haven't needed to yet. The Key Map Editor is excellent in being able to assign any Kodi supported function to most any remote button key. Let me show you two of the functions I assign buttons to. First is Show OSD to more quickly access Dolby VS10 mode in Corelec. The second is Stop because the remote lacks a dedicated stop button to stop video playback. So here's how my Amazon replacement clone remote got set up. In white, the buttons that just work after Bluetooth pairing in Corelec. In yellow, the IR buttons I taught the remote using my AV receiver's remote. In red, the functions I mapped using Kodi Key Map Editor, which can be whatever Kodi functions you want. That's it. Everything you'd most use with Kodi in one small, light, handy, cheap remote. Thanks for your interest and watching. Take care.